Away, my people. You don't scatter, we don't bustle. Area, hey, make una carry una jokote sit down, no. Come listen to this one, only my ear. No, if you hear this one, finish, you don't settle, you don't scatter. Everywhere don't bust again, no. No be small thing, no. My people, this one is loud. No be small thing. I know say most of una know this man, so when I see for my stream, yeah, father of Omenala, Eziokwu, aka Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor, he don't come out again to my people. Not be small thing, not be small to my people. He say, Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. Where is Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka? He dey London, oh. He wear sweater, go one finish am. He cover head, no be small thing, oh. He can't agree to Igbo, my people. Me not come be say I do talk, make una regade.
That is why one of them tagged me today on a video on Facebook that a brother of 20-something years, he's down with kidney failure. He wrote me today saying that I should come for an assistance. Then when I go through the Facebook wall of her sister, his sister that posted it, I saw every Zion, everything Zion. I say, oh, I practically wrote it down there. That she should take her sister, his brother, to where? To Zion. Our people need to learn hard from hard experience. Just like one of our sisters, that some Catholic boys organization contributed money to assist because one of her former friends was a member of one Catholic association. Then when that guy saw the picture of the sister on Facebook, he pleaded to his youth in that Catholic parish. They raised money and sent to her. He called her to send the money to her. She told her that she don't need money from unbeliever. The Catholic Church is unbeliever. That our sister was at division, this army hospital at Enugu. Division what? What is the name? Division 10 or Division what? That soldier hospital in Enugu. That was where our sister is then. She rejected the money. Do you know that when the case become worst, they started inboxing me. By then she cannot talk. No more bragging, because everything about Christians is bragging. Show us one evidence, then we'll follow you. Show us one evidence. No wonder Muslims are killing Christians like chicken. Because that thing in their brain is sparkling like a cancer. They will keep on forcing Jesus. Very soon they will start maltreating you guys the same way Muslims are doing to you in our land. I'm telling you, very soon. The same way Muslims never give people a chance the same way you guys will not be giving, we are not going to give any single Christian chance in our land. Because they abuse, destroying, lying every day. Now, the lady I was talking about that posted his brother, which is suffering from kidney failure. I told her, take the chair to Ebukobi, to international criminals we have in our land. Take him to Ebukobi. Take him to Ebukobi. Because I have seen his condition. Very soon he will stop urinating. The next thing, if they don't have money for proper diagnosis 3 times in a week, he will die automatically. But go to her profile picture. Ebukobi. I connect myself and my family. You are connecting yourself to spirituality, falling anointing. Is that not what you are connecting yourself? Are you connecting yourself to something that makes you to have electricity that will give human being a good life to live? Are you connecting yourself to something that have given every Nigerian citizen proper security? Are you connecting yourself to something that have made our resources to be very useful in our land? These are things that make an English person today to become whom he or she is. Are you connecting yourself to Zion as you are connecting yourself to somewhere that will make your little children today not to face the atrocities in Nigeria, the premature death in Nigeria? You are being denied your destiny out of your stupidity. After your criminal thinking, you want nothing before the world. You want free something, nothing comes free. The phone you are watching me with, you bought it with a due process made for a full animal that will kill tomorrow to buy it. You bought it practical, the same way Ebukobi bought his own. Ebuka never got his own true miracle. Even if you give him phone on free, they bought it. They never manufacture it with prayer. If Ebukobi cannot manufacture the phone he's using today with prayer, he can never manufacture anything that will solve your problem through prayer. It is all scam. You will die. They will go. When they go, Zion go, they move. Once they Zion go continue, they move. They will kill and Zion go, they move. We move. Zion will move. Where are you moving to? Are you moving to the house of science and technology to manufacture a car in your community to eradicate poverty in 2075 in your village? If Ebukobi could not last from now to 2075, what will be the future of your children, our children then? What will be the future of our children? The whole world are focusing on their politicians for them to have a good future tomorrow, because so many of me and you here, some of us are not going to be alive to see more 10 politicians, 10 presidents in Nigeria. So for you to know that we are very, some of us are close to grave soon. I am pitying our kids. Some of us are not going to be alive and see more 10 presidents to come in Nigeria. Some of us watching. You don't want to reason. You need a blessing to be richer than me. Kidnappers are waiting for all of us. You saw a woman that was kidnapped at Inewi. She will go and attack those security. Without those security, man trained to protect man. Without those security, by now she would have been in the grave. And what gave that security people power and energy to go and chase those criminals? Man-made called gun. Those guns in their hands are the only energy, power given to them to do what? To confront those criminals. Without those guns, all of them will disappear. Man-made in China. I saw them holding it. They are controlling the world. They use what they produce with their natural resources to protect their city, protect their citizens, protect their nation, protect their economy, protect their children. What do you want to use and protect your children? Bible. Bible. You mention what you have read from Bible that have come to pass. I can keep on lifting hands, begging. Keep on begging. Go and beg for God of Zion. Zion will keep killing of you. He will keep scamming all of you. This is what you come to do. A man that during coronavirus, he shut down his youth criminal organization down. No, he will have shown us power then. I was in abroad during the time of coronavirus. I was in abroad. Look at how ambulance was moving every day. Shim. Helicopters, ambulance moving, taking people to the hospital. Here you are going to Zion. A black grown-up child in Africa cannot reason. You want somebody to use empty mouth to change your situation. When they do that, it's risky. Once you are a Nigerian citizen, your life is at risk. From the present to the newborn babies today. Nobody is saved. As a Nigerian you are not saved once you are in this country. Some of you Nigerians in the country, you don't have documents. Are you saved over there? If the police, if those countries remember you tomorrow, they will deport you. And you come and join us here. Oh, you want us to solve our problem through Yama. Mbaka is now in the United States of America. Almighty Mbaka, all powerful Mbaka. Mbaka want to enslave his people. For years, these are people with so-called adoration, to enslave his own people, his own blood, his tribe, his race for 20-something years, if I'm not mistaken. Giving us fake promises every week. Fake promises how God is going to give us money. Which country is God giving money on this earth? Which country have come to testify that God gave them money? Which country have come on this earth to testify that Jesus gave them money? Which country? Mbaka is now in the US. Mbaka put on sweater. He covered coat. He's no longer Wandu. He's no longer Wandu. Jesus cannot cover him from cold in the United States. Oh, he followed the due process that even I Eziokwu today. If I saw myself there tomorrow, and then I will still put the same jacket. Oh, he covered all his body. He's no longer one, but he's putting us here under the rain. Rain are beating us for years. I started the Adoration Ministry in 2006. You guys are helping our government to keep on frustrating us so that we keep on praying. Tell me what you have achieved with prayer to make you look more better than any dog today in Germany. Tell Tell me what you have achieved with prayer in Nigeria that makes you to look better than any busika today in India.
People, how na check am? No be small thing o. No be small gbasgbos, my people. He say come wan finish am. Say he even wear sweater take cover cold, my people. As I cross this one, I was shocked to lies, my people. Make una share this one, oh my people. God, oh. Wahala be like bicycle. Abeg my people, na here now one for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao ciao everyone. Bye bye.